The MWE Gold V2 power supply builds on the strengths of its predecessor with clear upgrades designed to enhance your PC's performance and reliability. If you're looking for a unit that balances efficiency, durability, and quieter operation, this model deserves a close look right from the start. One standout feature is its 80+ gold efficiency rating, which means it delivers more power with less wasted energy. This not only reduces electricity costs but also keeps your system running cooler. Plus, the increased maximum operating temperature means the MWE Gold V2 can handle demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. The unit's design includes a hydrodynamic bearing, HDB, fan, which cuts down noise significantly compared to traditional fans. For anyone who values a quieter setup, this upgrade is a noticeable improvement. Additionally, the power supply comes fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, which helps keep your build clean and airflow optimal. Connectivity is another area where the MWE Gold V2 shines. It offers two EPS connectors, making it compatible with a wider range of motherboards and high-performance CPUs. The compact size of 160 by 150 by 86 mm fits comfortably in most cases, so you won't have to worry about space constraints. Some users have reported initial issues, such as receiving a dead-on-arrival unit. However, customer support has been responsive, and replacements arrive quickly, sometimes even ahead of schedule. Once installed, many users note stable performance and quiet operation, which speaks well to the product's overall quality. If you're cautious about reliability, testing the unit before installation is a smart move. Early signs from users who did this show the fan and power output work as expected, providing peace of mind before committing to a full build. This step helps ensure you get a unit that performs well from day one. In summary, the MWE Gold V2 offers meaningful upgrades that matter: improved efficiency, quieter cooling, and better compatibility. It's a solid choice for anyone upgrading their power supply or building a new system that demands dependable power without excess noise. Worth a look if you want a power supply that blends performance with practical features. Try it when you're ready to experience a quieter, more efficient PC setup that supports your hardware with confidence.